Assalamu alaikum, dear participants. We cannot become good Muslims, or for that matter, advocates of any faith, if we are not good human beings. The course Islam and Our Moral Being actually advocates and tries to present basic human values. It tries to tell us that we as a group of people, we as human beings, must uphold certain primary human values like forgiveness, gratitude, compassion, kindness, sympathy, and love for one another. So, this course is primarily meant to stimulate our sensitivity towards these values, and it also will try to equip you with more concern, with more sensitivity towards these human values. And by the end of this course, it is expected that these basic human values will also be very beneficial for all of us to lead successful lives in this world and become worthy of our God's forgiveness in the hereafter.